Good morning everyone and welcome to you in this daily update on Bitcoin and the alts. As always, hope you're all doing very well today. You had a very nice weekend. Happy new all-time high again, by the way, because since then I think we've got a new all-time high if I'm correct. And we've hit 100,000. This is just absolutely mind-blowing on the CME gap, so this is just pretty crazy. Not on the real price, really, we can say the real price. By the way, do you hear me good? Normally, yes. So this is not Bitcoin. There you go, so we have hit, you can see here, so almost 100k. It was 99,860 on Coinbase, and 99,800 and what exactly? 799,700, almost 800 on Bybit. So we was very close to 100k. Again, we just, well, do not hit it because everyone is looking to hit this target. This is a very psychological level. So yeah, anyways, so I already updated the levels on my chart there because I did an update yesterday in Discord. Good morning, by the way, to you all. What was that? Oh yeah, because of the rejection. Oh yeah, by the way, just something to let you know. Just want to let you know, this is not an affiliation or whatever. There is a Black Friday deal on for TradingView. So instead of, for example, of paying like 700 euros the year, you only pay if we can say only 200 euros. So you have a very big, massive discount. So just there is no affiliation or whatever. It's just if you're using TradingView with a premium or whatever plan, really. This is very interesting, and well, you have 70% off, so that can be nice. Yeah, just want to post about this because we did got a rejection overnight. But yeah, so here let's update the levels first of all, and yeah, I wanted to pop out the chat. Is what I wanted to do first of all. So good morning to you all. Good morning, JASMY please. Yes, sure, I'm gonna update Bitcoin first and then I'm gonna move on the alts. So yeah, hope you had a nice weekend. Let's go on Bitcoin. So weekly time frame, we are not the first of the month. I'm always lost in the days. It's pretty crazy. So weekly level, do we have any new weekly? No, so we can go on a daily time frame. Daily we've got one, but is already hit. In any case, once we've printed this, it was, I mean, too close to the current price action. If you add this, I'm gonna add a key level here. You can see it was here, around there, and well, it's a way too close really to the open price action really, so we can get rid of this. The anchor rate view up from the very top, we don't really care anymore, to be honest with you. Now we have the view up, so we can go on XOCharts. So XOCharts here, naked session path control was hit yesterday, no naked session path control on the lows. The TPO was hit yesterday night, and the DNPOC will have one below here. I've already added that yesterday, I mean, well, this morning, but very early, at 96,787.5. And it is the same on the TX1, and you have one also that you've printed on Friday, well, on Saturday, sorry, because you did got the kind of close day on Friday. So boom, you have this one around the very top, really. That is just right there, 99,387.5. Yeah, so now we can, of course, plan a few targets. I did move it that, boom, perfect. So yesterday I've done an update in Discord, so make sure again to join it if you're not in it yet. It is very important, so you can, well, stay updated if I'm not going to do a live stream. So, well, I've planned two targets. I'm gonna cover the wave next, but I've planned two targets really for a short trade in case we have to do so. I'm gonna cover this next, but a double EXY to the downside, so a bigger drop really. Okay, these are the two targets. We've got a nice bit of a rejection on this, bit of a bounce next from the previous day view up close, bit of if you go on the lower time frame here, failed auction below that low. Okay, you can see, go below, spend some time, I guess you formed something bullish on the order flow, reclaim, flip to support, and boom, that's again a level approach, a typical one. You can learn on the website, by the way. If you go on the MOONCHARTS, a different website, going to the core section, you have next the XOCharts one right here, and you have the levels approach. Listen, and you have all the different level approach. When you hit a level, a target, what approach you can get really. Okay, we can get rid of the weekly negative path control because it is way too close also. And you've got another increasing price, so just get rid of that. We can get rid of this. This is still a resistance at the moment. We took the highs or not? Yes, okay, but we have a triple wave down more likely, so It's fine. So yeah, the next resistance and the only one really until we go for a new all-time high is this one right here. So we have a daily level that we've printed also during the weekend, and the swing through pound. The reason why I'm looking for this target is simply because if you pull the fixed range from the top to the very bottom there, what I've done, we have this nice vanilla high just above. So this right here is the last chance, really, I mean the last chance for a short until 100,000. Okay, so it's just pretty crazy to say this price, but anyways. So this is the next possible short trade. Again, I'm placing a short here. I'm not saying you have to short there. It depends of what's going on, what's happening live in the time on the order flow. As always, you know already all of this. You know, I'm repeating myself really for people that are watching this these updates for a while, but there are some new people maybe watching there. So if you're trading, I mean, I'm placing this short trade. I'm not going to take it if on this order flow there is no reason to take the trade. Okay, so this is very important for me to take the trade or to execute the trade really. If the data are not here, if my data are not here, I'm not gonna take the trade. Okay, very important. So yeah, this is the only target really. If we break above, we can look for a new all-time high. So we're going to plan the targets next with a wave. But this is the only possible short trade setup I can see. Of course, you know, I was telling you about the level approach. We've got here the low. We go below, reclaim, flip to support, and come back up. We can do exactly the same. Go above the target like this, go below the target, reclaim, flip to support, come back up. We can go above into the daily negative path control, well, flip to support, fake the pump, and then go below, flip the resistance and drop. Or we can just do this, what we have done at the very bottom, right? The very bottom. Well, here really, go above, hit the DNPOC, come back below, flip into resistance and drop. There are some level approach. The reason why the daily negative path control is there, because well, this is a possible level approach. We're going to do like this, where we go above to really fake the pump and really make more and more people bullish, if we can say that. And well, you can also get less shorts at the end because you will push high, so people will just stop looking for a short, but you can still look for a short because there are some level approach like this. But anyway, so yeah, this is a target. Really just have to trade this target. If we break above, we can look for a new all-time high. We're going to plan the levels, the targets next with a wave. So yeah, that will be really for a double EXY to the downside. Okay, so W X wave, and then you can look for a Y wave to the downside. The Y wave here, if we do drop from here, it will be a pretty big drop down to around 80, well, between 80, well, 90,000 down to 85 really. That is a most probable target. Even 87 down to 85 to be honest with you, but yeah, this is still possible to bounce from before. Yeah, and so if we break the highs, personally I'm gonna look for more likely a fake out for the moment, depending on what's happening there, of course, because well, we need to get the data live in the time. If this is still very bullish while breaking out, it means that we're seeing those smaller wave. But yeah, if we take the highs, I'm gonna look more likely here for an ABC flat, so a move up, but to still come back down below next. I'm gonna show you why with a wave. Okay. For the moment, I'm looking for this, but again, when we break out, if we get some very bullish data on the order flow, well, so to speak, a lot of longs not absorbed. So how can you recognize this? Very simple. For example, well, let's take this one here. Here, you're moving up. You have an increasing of the open interest plus a positive delta 2.3 million. This, it means that there are some new market order longs coming in the market. As simple as that. Here, for example, 4.8. Well, now it is decreasing, so you have to wait for the counter close, but before it was increasing, so there was some new longs. Maybe if you go on the 5 minutes here, you can see here, for example, in this count, you've got 4.6 million of new longs opening. So I want to see a lot of longs opening while breaking out, and all these longs are not absorbed. Again, you can learn this on the website if you want to. You have this nice absorption lesson, number 5. Simply go and check out this. I cannot explain all the time, like, what is what. It'll take a while otherwise. But yeah, basically this is what I'm looking for. So here, this is in case we have to push up. Of course, if we have to drop from here, well, we have hit by the way our target now. So if I have to drop directly from here, we can look for, we can get rid of that. Well, the DNPOC really, you can see that the only target is really this. So swing through the pan into the daily negative path control. So this whole thing here is the target. So first is the VWAP. Okay, if I have to drop from here, get a scalp short, for example. First target is the VWAP. So we break the VWAP, we can look for the DNPOC at least, and if we do break the DNPOC, a new low. Okay, and so that will bring us with a double X right down really. Yeah, so that will be the only target for a long trade. We can go now on the bigger time frame. Yep, that is not there, that is there for the levels, and simply check out what we have planned in the last update, right? If we have to draw more from here, these are the levels target. Personally, I'm gonna look more a lot more for the wave target. We're going to cover the wave next. This is the most important at the moment in my opinion, but these are the levels for people that don't really care about the wave. These are the levels you can look for. So you have first this value high with the swing through pan. You've got a bounce, by the way. You can see this lovely range we've got right here. So from this bottom to the top, you can see this was resistance, and you've got the bounce off the middle of the range, and again a complex level approach. You can see how good these level approach are. This is pretty cool. This is pretty cool. You go below, you flip into resistance, you fake the drop, you reclaim, flip to support, and come back up. This is pretty nice. This is very, very, very nice. Of course, you have to add a few components to this, but this is very, very, very nice. Yeah, so next, if we do break this value high, you simply look for the path control really down to the daily level with the bottom of the range. If you do break this, you can look for the anchored view up from the 67,000 low down to the swing through pan right here. If we do break this, you can look for the value low around 79,000. As simple as that, really. Okay. Yeah, so break the value high, look for the path control, break the path control. Normally look more likely for the value low, but this is very, very, very low. So before, we have to look for this anchored view up down to the swing through pan. Simple as that, really. Okay, with the levels. Now, that's pretty cool. We have the small resistance, the bigger support, but the thing is now, what if we break above this new all-time high we have done on Friday? Well, we're going to go on the wave for this. Okay, we're going to add the target. So first of all, what happened? Well, what happened here, we simply went into, you know, our big first Elliott wave target on a higher time frame. So let me just go up on a bit of a bigger time frame here. We went into our first big Elliott wave target, so between 98,000 up to 101,000. This is the first target. We've got also, of course, the few smaller wave target plan. It was the 100% of the wave 5, the pink wave 5. We've got a small rejection for the moment. The thing is now, if you check out what's happened really, okay, if you go for example on the 4s, you can see that this right here is going really low. We are breaking the previous bottom. So can we still be into this smaller wave? Well, the answer is yes, we can. Absolutely, it's possible. This is trading, everything is possible. But normally when the RSI is breaking the previous low like this, we invalidate a smaller wave 3, 4, 5. Okay, we'll have a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The wave 4 cannot break the wave 2 bottom right here. Okay, so normally the smaller wave are done, and so now if the smaller wave 5 is done, well, it means simply that we have done the wave 1, 2, 3 top, because we finished the wave 1, 2, 3, 5 into the wave 3. And so in that case, it means that we are into the wave 4 now, into the blue wave 4. So if we have to be into the blue wave 4, this is a target. That's the reason why I was telling you, well, this is pretty cool to get the levels, but this right here is what I'm going to look for more likely, because this is, well, we're going to follow the wave more likely on this. So in that case, we have more chance to go between what I was saying before, between 87,000 down to 80, well, 83. I was saying 85, it's 83,300. Can we bounce off of the 2316 or the MC fib? Yes, but again, we have done a 38-point retracement, so we have more chance to go between the 38.2 and 50%. And again, trading is a game of probability, so I'm going to trade only the highest probability. That's it. I have, by the way, I mean, the MC fib, I'm going to look for this, but the 2316, absolutely no. I mean, if we bounce from here, I'm not going to take a trade off there. Yeah. So, yeah, this is, in that case, due to the RSI, what we can look for more likely, the wave 4. Now, if we do this, of course, it's going to invalidate this wave 4 directly. But yeah, I'm going to show you what price we can look for to look for a continuation of the wave 3, really. Okay. So yeah, in that case, if we're into the wave 4, okay, and we've got, so I'm going to get rid of this 2316. If we're in this wave 4 and we've got an ABC zigzag down, we've got a 5 waves correction, 5 waves to the downside here over the weekend. So we've got here, you can see a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So first a wave, then you have a correction to the upside, boom, correction, then you have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so you have an ABC zigzag to the downside. So if you have an ABC zigzag to the downside, it is a correction. So if we have to be in a wave 4, once you've got an ABC zigzag, first of all, you simply have to look for a correction in the wave 4. So what bigger correction we can do? It's either a double EXY, either an ABC flat. So double EXY, we can still take the highs. That's the problem now these days. We can do some double EXY like this and then come back down, but let's stay with the old rules, if you can say that. Let's do it old school. We can look for a double EXY that is not going to take the W route, so to speak, the way through top here, and so a double EXY like this. So this is a target for the X wave before to look for the Y wave to the downside. If we do get acceptance above the target we have planned, we can simply look for the X wave. We can simply look here for an ABC flat, so to speak, a correction, Y wave to the downside. Double EXY, it's a correction. The last wave, so to speak, the Y wave, cannot be a double EXY. It can be everything except a double EXY. As simple as that. Now an ABC flat, so A, B, C. The B wave is going to retrace minimum 90%, so we can still end up with not a new all-time high, really, but I'm going to take a double EXY in that case. So between 105 up to 123, 127, okay, and then we get the pullback. So just gonna control everything here so we can get this wave on the chart. I mean, get the targets really. Let me just... Do we have any good data for us? Ooh, whoa. What's the context of this? Little bit of weakness right now, not gonna lie. This is not a very big amount of longs coming in. But you don't have any MC short reaction yet, you have some early shorts, so yeah, keep an eye on this. If you start printing here an MC short reaction, that's a short trade. Again, that's a little bit of... There's not too many shorts, but if you get the MC short reaction, wait a bit, see if this is getting absorbed or not. Do not take the trade directly, because, well, we are still in a bull market. The overall trend is up. It is a bullish market structure still, so normally you have a high probability to go for a new all-time high still. So that's why remain a bit patient. Wait, if we do get the MC short reaction, wait for a bit more of confirmations. Okay, this is what I'm doing personally these days, to avoid getting stopped out like this. So what I want you to do here, yeah, place the ABC flat target. So A wave bottom to the A wave top flat. So yeah, there we go. Here we have the flat target. So we have the 105 up to the 123, 127. Okay, this is the zone of resistance we're going to get above us. As simple as that, really. If we start breaking above, it is not impossible that we are still into the wave 4. Okay, it's not because we break above here this 127 that we can only look for higher. We can still look for a bit of a higher price and then a rejection, because this right here is an X wave target. As I said before, it is possible that the X wave also take the W route, so we can do an X wave up to the 100. Well, 100. Well, what is this fib, by the way? Yeah, 1.5 and 1.414. So, well, this is the next target really for the... I'm gonna do it like this, it's gonna be better for the X wave. So we can go really up to this target. If we start breaking above this fib, then yes, this is going to be, well, it simply means that we are still into a smaller wave. But again, if you check at the RSI, for the moment it looks really less probable. Okay, the reason why I'm looking for, I mean, I'm that bearish, if you can say, and I'm looking for this wave. Now again, please understand that if we do, for example, get the break to the upside here, we get a very bullish breakout on the order flow, we get no reason to short on the, well, there you can see, the reason why you wait for an MC short reaction, you didn't got it. The shorts got stopped out already. I'm not going to take a short trade even in this if there is nothing bearish on the order flow. That's why to use the order flow is very cool, because it allows you to determine if you have or not to execute the trades into the target you have planned. So for example, right now, recognize that yes, we've hit a target, but we wait for an MC short reaction to be printed. We don't get any MC short reaction, there is no trade. And even if we get it, we remain a bit patient, see if this is getting absorbed or not, and boom, we avoid getting wrecked like this. And it is exactly the same. If we go for a new all-time high, we go into these targets, we don't get anything bearish, then there is no trade, and we just remain patient and wait in that case for higher prices. So yeah, in any case, we do have these possible short trades, okay, and that will bring us with a target, so down normally to well, here really. So this is a possible short trade. I'm not saying you have to short again, please understand that, depending on what or the data line in the time, but this is something possible to go down to, for the moment, down to 87,000 more likely, at least. Okay, so yeah, and well, the thing is, if we do get this, well, a bigger wave 3 really, so it means that we're still into this wave 5. Personally, I'm gonna simply take the case that we are into a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I really struggle counting 5 waves in there, but well, if we do get another push to the upside, we go above this target, I'm gonna look for the wave 5. So how can you play the wave 5 targets? I'm gonna go on the 1 hour. You can simply pull the extension tool from this bottom there, so from the wave 1 root to the wave 1 top. Is the wave 3 more equals to 1620? Yes, so you can pull then the third click on the wave 4 bottom at the wave 5 targets. And there you go, we have a 120 extension, so that match with our resistance above if we have to go above. Then we have a 1618, so again it matched with the target bar plan above. So 100,004. 104,000 by the way. If we break above, we can look for the 2618 around 110 and 10,000. Okay, this is the next target after break above 1618, 2618. So well, it match again. This will be the wall zone here, the wall zone here. There is some zone of price again. We cannot look for only one fib because the thing is we don't have the confidence, you know, with the daily, weekly volume levels, everything, because we never went to such price. So we can only look for fibs. So we have to look for the zone like this of price. It's like, you know, the higher time frame targets like this. Well, you can see we've planned this nice higher time frame first target. As I said, we might get a few pullbacks from here, but not the overall one, because now we need to finish, of course, this 3, 4, 5 and the other 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So but we can still get some pullbacks like this, because well, these are the only confidence we're having at such prices, because there is no level, we never went there, so there is no old daily naked path controls or stuff like that. So you can see this gave a nice, well, it gave a nice pullback. That's pretty cool. So do I have water here? Yes, I actually have a bit of coffee. Pretty cool. So yeah, I think we're Bitcoin, we're done, to be honest with you. There is nothing more to add on this. Just gonna get rid of that. I'm gonna still keep the 2618, to be honest with you. Boom. I'm gonna make this elite. Wow, that's a big zone of price, but well. There you go. Much better now. Yes. So yeah, we're done for Bitcoin. Still to the target. Is it looking bearish? Well, we have a lot of weakness now. You can see there are a lot of shorts closing, but there are no new longs opening. So we have a bit of weakness while rising. Now again, if for example in 1 minute, it can change within a few seconds. So for example now is if in 10 seconds we have like 10 million of longs opening, if this is not getting absorbed, so for to speak, we reclaim this previous high on the CVD, this is not bearish, and so we can look for higher prices. Now we do have some weakness, so if we do get an MC short reaction, for example, you can take the trade directly and don't wait for a bit of confirmation, because now you went into the upper part of the target, so you've hit the level really. For now you have no MC short reaction, so you just wait. I mean, you do whatever you want again, but yeah, so let's go on the Alts. On the Alts, by the way, before to go and take the request. So AP, you've got some very good trades on this. You can see you've got, so first of all, the long trade hit to the dollar almost. Then over the weekend, you've hit the short target. So I did took profit on the long, and so well, you've got a nice short trade over the weekend. Am I going to update this? to be honest with you, right now we are a bit of 50-50 on Bitcoin. Are we going to get a breakout and a massive push to the upside? Are we going to get a rejection, so to speak? Are we going to get this, or are we going to get this on the outs? I don't know. On this one, I don't have the wave on this, so I'm gonna plan the targets only if we retrace on Bitcoin, because we might get a bit of a pullback on this also. So to plan the new long targets, really, okay, because if we do, for example, if we do this, then it's gonna change the target. If we again do this and do this, it's gonna change again the target, so it's not really worth it to update all the time the targets. So, but in any case, very good long trade, very good short trade over the weekend. Well, now just need to wait a little bit. Floki, we just went back into a value high level, hit almost to the dollar, get another nice bounce. That's pretty cool. Pepe coin, we've got a nice long trade plan. We went into the value high. Well, this was the first take profit. Get another drop, and I did not update that since then. Dot, very big increase in price. On this one I have two trades. This short trade, okay, from the 618 86% retest basically, and the long if we do get this rejection from this swing through pan. As simple as that. So end up reading swing through pan or a failed auction. As simple as that. I have my Elliott set. I'm gonna try to trade this if I'm here, and so for the wave I am more likely looking for such configuration. I'm gonna more likely take here a 5 waves to the upside, an ABC flat. This ABC flat is the first wave of a bigger correction, so to speak, a WXY, and so here you have an ABC flat into the W wave, and so this right here is this WXY is completing the wave 2, and then we have a nice boom, boom, bigger wave 1, bigger wave 2 with a nice 5 waves to the upside. Sorry, another wave 1, 2. And then BAM 3, we are now into the wave 4, so this is a buy zone right here. That's the reason why I'm looking so well. Either for a truncated third wave, okay, so let me just get rid of that. Either a truncated third wave, so to speak, we do this, we get, you know, the short trade, but we don't manage to break the pre-slow, we just top before, and we do this, such as, just to give an example, this triple wave, but the third wave is topping before the previous bottom, simply because it shows a trench of the push to the upside next coming, so it means that we're going to get a nice big push to the upside, like XRP for example, DOGE, Cardano. You've got DOGE for example here. You can see here. Well, it's not a very good example, but Cardano. The good example was on XRP. Where's XRP is higher? Here. There you go. You can see here you have a nice triple wave, first, second, third, and then push up, and you to get a nice push up and a nice rejection from the second target. I must hit to the dollar again. This is pretty cool. With a nice little, I mean, big drop during the weekend. We talk about a nice, what's this percentage? Well, 21% drop. It is very crazy from the second target of plan. You can see the first one go above, flip it into support, continue, and boom, drop into the next target. That's pretty cool. But yeah, this is basically what we can look for. It was DOGE dot, that was here, perfect. Let's go on that one. So yeah, this is something possible, so be aware of that. You have to plan the latest uptrend, sorry, target. So this section here, you have to plan the level, sorry, to find the take profits on this way down, and not to wait for the overall bottom, because you're in a very big bullish market structure. So you have to, well, we can end up like this with a triple wave truncated. Yeah, so in any case, next we can look for a wave 5. So it is very high, but we can look for a wave 5. We're going to plan a wave 5 targets when we get the bounce, so to speak. For example, now if we do get the bounce from here, we can simply pull the extension tool from the wave 1 route that is there to the wave 1 top. If you wanted to find a wave 3 target, you could place the wave 3 targets to the wave 2 bottom. Consider a 3618 rejection. From here you can pull to find wave 5 turrets. As a wave 3 is more than 1618, you can take the third click, place it on the wave 4 bottom, and you can simply add the wave 5 turrets like this. So 618, 120 extension, 100%, 1618, and the 2618. 618, 120 extension bring us with what here? A wave 5 truncated, so to speak, I stopped before the wave 3 top. We're in a massive uptrend. It is really desperable. So the next target is really the 1618. That will bring us with only a swing flip and a failure of the top. Otherwise, as we're in a big bullish market at the moment, we normally should look for the 2618 at the very least. So this is in case we bounce from here, this is a target. Okay, if we do get a new low, this is gonna lower the target. So for example, if we do this and then we reclaim, we have to place the third click of the extension tool on the way for bottom. So you can see here it's gonna lower the target, but for the moment the bottom is there. So we can look for this nice target. So it is 11.829.826. Perfect. If we do break above, we can simply activate the lock scale, tick the lock scale setting here into the settings, and there we go. You have this nice, well, 1620 here, so you have this nice zone really 12.414. That's a nice fib. I mean, not 12.414, but 0.414. 14 like this. There we go, and then you have this nice 16.280, 16.280. Perfect. And there we go. Here are the targets we can look for if we push higher directly from here. Okay, so we have this first of all, and then we can look for this nice target above. These are the two targets we can look for above. Okay, if we don't, of course, just swing through panel, do a fail push on the top, and then that will bring us with another boom, bigger wave 4, bigger wave 5, and then it will complete. So again, either an ABC zigzag to the upside, ABC, because, well, we not took the crystal, so it's possible that we're in a double EXY to the upside. So in that case, ABC, this will be a take profit, and then we simply have to see if the wave 4 is holding or not, what Bitcoin is doing at the same time. If the wave 4 is not holding, well, this was an ABC zigzag, and so this is going to do a massive drop next. Okay, yeah, but basically this is a plan at the moment. So let's take this. BONK, you've got a very nice, well, you've got the target that is hit now. You've got the long trade off of the swing through pan there. Even got a retest, by the way. That's pretty cool. Well, nothing more to say. What you've got otherwise? I don't know, because I was not really trading much during the weekend here. So let's go and check out your requests. Do we have any big shorts coming in the tape? What was the time here? 10:22, 10:24. Right, we have some big shorts there. It's pretty nice. Well, the volume is good, not gonna lie. The volume is interesting, but we've got some big shorts there. So if we manage to remove this absorption, get an MC short reaction here, that can bring us with a nice short trade. And the first take profit target will be, let's go on the wallet, we'll do the drop. The first take profit target will be, if I can grab the top here, yep, perfect. Well, yeah, we will have to see what's happening in there, in this wall zone. Well, that will be the VWAP, the first real nice target will be the VWAP. But this right here, Valera high path control, something else we're going to keep an eye on, okay? So the chat here, so JASMY, let's go on JASMY first of all. Morning, May, doing great. What about you? Hope you're doing great, May, and you have a nice weekend. KDA, Kenji, about to get a nice QNT. Didn't check that one for a while. Link is in a cup pro. Yes, I've pushed on Link personally. That would be good. We get a nice push to the upside on this one too, even higher. I'm gonna have a look at BONK. AP is going to pump our emo. Well, yeah, possible. We are going to have a look at a few wave. KDA, yes, I'm gonna have a look at this. Alright, so let's first of all do JASMY. So JASMY is normally in this section there. Perfect. So what happened on that one here? What was the thing here? We don't have JASMY. Oh, there you go. Muscle target. What was that? Oh well, this was a range bottom, by the way. Look at that. And straight up to the range high. Look at this. Again, that's again a typical level approach. Look at this. You have this range, the top, the bottom here. You go below, you flip into resistance, you fake the drop, you reclaim, flip to support, and get the pump. This again, I really this is into the website here. Well, I'm gonna. Well, you have some more text in there. But if you go into the here level approach, this is a typical. This is the most complex level approach, but this is the level approach. It's always the same. You can see even on the 4 hours time frame, this is here. This is just pretty crazy, right? This is insane. This is just pure gold. Anyways, so, well, we've planned a few resistance there that was for this pullback here. So we did got, you can see there's a few rejections. So from here, then from here, well, this was a little higher, but we still got a pullback from this target with a big wick inside. So now we don't really care about this anymore because we did got the pullback and the pump since then. So we get rid of this. Do I have JASMY on this? Yeah, perfect. Let me just save that for the moment. Boom, and let's go on JASMY. See if we have a few new levels there. Boom, and let's wait for this to load. Alright, so let's go on a monthly time frame and let's see what we have. 5 days remaining. Well, I'm not gonna do the monthly yet. Okay, right into the monthly. Good. Weekly. Do we have any new weekly? Wait, the monthly is. Alright. This one there. This one there is done. Let's go to daily time frame. What is this? Okay. Yeah, this was good. Yeah, that was a very big resistance where we went really and rejected. But let's get rid of that. Let's get rid of that. Okay, we can remove this too, and let's go really quickly on this. Oh. Yeah, I think I did something wrong here. So we do have one monthly negative path control just right there. Let me just 00297. Oops, yeah, no, perfect. Okay, let's just, oh, this is really annoying. There you go, so we can add back this. Then we have one weekly naked point of control over there. 020888. So 0. Right, yes. Good, okay, then on the TIX one, do we have anything? No. Good, and the DNPOCs, we don't care, so let's just save this. Can we type it? No. Save, alright. Yeah, that was a very, I mean, this is a very big resistance still. Okay, this ray is a very big resistance. The latest uptrend path control. Yeah, that's a very good, that's very nice. If we do hold this, you can see how this value high is an insane resistance, support, resistance, and we've just flipped that against here into support. That's pretty cool. This is a good sign of strength already. Now we need to still get hold this as support. Yeah, so this is the big target. If we do break this, this is only target really. Again, we can do a complex approach above, go higher, flip into support, fake the pump, go below, and but this is a target really. Okay, there is a 2 big target we have. If we do get acceptance really above this, if we do get acceptance above, Bitcoin is not bearish. It is more likely going to go for a new all-time high. Okay, but yeah, this right here are the 2 big targets we're having here. So now let's go on the wave. So what was this? This is more likely a triple wave here down. Yes. Right. That would be like dot. Like in that case, you get a first 5 waves, and you get a triple wave. Let me have a look at this. Well, this is very bad, but well. Okay, let's take it. And then you have what, retracement here, a flat retracement, okay. But to start an A wave off a flat with a flat, it's not the best. So let me have a look here. From this top to this bottom to this top. Again, 123 at really not well respected. Well, I'm gonna take here a simple, if we can say simple, double EXY down. Can we get... Yeah, it's exactly like dot, by the way, to the front of the personal. So not double EXY, X and Z. W, X and Y, and so here, if we have to be bullish, because for the moment everything is bullish, we can still go straight back down. Don't forget this, depending on Bitcoin. Bitcoin, for example, do a massive wave fall, and well, we do not hold the Valera high, it's going to go a lot lower, right? But if we do hold this Valera high, like I showed you before, we can look for this nice impulse if here to the upside, and so we can look for this. So now, in that case, this right there was a wave 1. Again, this is... And how the fuck can you get this as a wave, as a 5 waves to the other side? Yes, in this you do have the 5 waves, but I mean, this is a triple wave. So maybe that's a flat in that case in this? It looks very high for a flat, yeah, way too high. Double XY. Yeah. Oh wow. What the hell is that? This for me is a triple wave to the upside. For now everything is bullish. I'm gonna look for some bullish wave, but this is not looking very good for a wave 1-2, to be honest. But well, let's take it still. As for the moment, everything is bullish. But if Bitcoin turn bearish, I'll be a bit careful. But so let's go with some white wave there. White. Let's go with some wave like this. Bam. And let's keep this perfect. So if we do break up from here, you can simply pull the extension tool from, if this is a wave, an impulsive here, from the wave 1 root to the wave 1 top to the wave 2 bottom here. At the wave 3 targets, so to speak, the 100%, we have only 2% chance to stop before the 161 here. So this is very really less probable to stop from here. Gotta move this a little more on the right. Boom. Then we have the 1618. that we have normally more chance to reach at the very least. Then we have the 200%, the 2618, 3618, and the 423.16. This, well, the 2618 up to the 423.16 is what normally we'll have more chance to reach if we're in a big bullish uptrend. Okay, so this is normally the zone, really. Okay, the step by step you take it. You look 2618, is it bearish? For example, is it bearish on Bitcoin? No. Well, in that case, you look for higher. Look for the 3618. If Bitcoin is still not bearish, 423.16, and then normally we should get something bearish on Bitcoin too at the same time. Okay, so these are the most probable targets. We'll really get a big push to the upside from here. And so once you've completed this, what is this color, by the way? Orange, light orange. We can look for this wave 3 to be in, and normally we're into a wave 5, so we should get some 5 waves. So then we can look for a wave 4 and then a wave 5. Okay, by the way, if we do get a push up from here, we're going to plan the targets so we can see what price we can reach. First of all, I'm gonna go there very quickly, just confirm that we do have a bigger 5 waves like this. Yes, so we should be into a wave 5. Now we can do a wave 5 with an extension and get a massive pump, but for the moment this is only a wave 5. So if we have to be into a wave 5 here, we can take the extension tool, click first on the wave 1 route. And second on the wave 1 top. Where is the top there? Let me just hide this for a moment. Wave 1 top is there. And then, so what we've done here on the wave 3. Boom. Is it on the log scale? Yes. 200, well, not really well respected, but without the log scale, bit of an extension. Okay. So if you pull it now on the wave 4 bottom, that should be... Yeah, this is this one here, so we can pull it there. There you go. If you pull it there, you remove the log scale. What targets we have? Nothing, so we have to use a log scale here. So if you pull now the wave 5 targets, you can see these are the targets. So let's go with 350, even more than this, and we're going to add all the targets. Boom. Okay, so first of all, the first target is really just a simple swing through pan fellowship of the top 0.04754. Oh my god, these things to type is really annoying, but anyways, 0.09495, and the next target is 0.29076. There you go, we have our 3 targets to the upside. And if we break above this, well, we're going to update that later. But for the moment, these are the 3 targets we're having for the wave 5. So for now, let's stay with this. Okay, but if we do break above, so 0.1 really. If we do break above this, we can look for, well, that's an psychological level, by the way. We can look for 0.3 really. That was a target someone said before. What was the 3? I remember, but yeah, it was AP. Okay, no, it's not that one. So yeah, these are the 3 targets. Let me add a few red squares there, so we can add this one there first of all. Then we'll have this one here. This will be for the wave 5 top. Okay, and then we can go for that one here. There you go. So if we do go to the last one here, that's a that's a 1000% increase in price. This is just absolutely crazy. You can make a lot of money with this, but well, are we going to go there? For now, we do have some few resistance to break before to reach that. Okay, I'm not saying we are going to go there. Boom, so JASMY, we're done. Airwave, I guess Airwave is this. Let me check out this Airwave. Yes, it is this. Well, that one, to be honest, is a very, very, very good buy in my opinion. The reason why is because you've got 5 waves on the higher time frame, and so after a 5 waves up, you have a wave 2. But again, this was something we've planned already a lot of time ago. We was on the top and was already looking for the wave 2, and was already looking for this big push to the upside next to occur. So of course, everything is possible. If crypto die, we're going to drop massively on this. But for now, well, all the time you get a pump and you get a 5 waves before, you get a retracement, you get a higher prices next, at the very least to do an ABC zigzag to go for the previous high really. So normally now, if we are bullish, if we're in a bull market, we should get the wave 3 next. So to speak, I'm just gonna go on maybe this one here and go on the AR price. I'm just gonna add here the higher time frame wave. Normally now, well, the wave 2, if we still hold, for example, the wave 4 on Bitcoin and everything is going well on Bitcoin, well, the wave 2 is in, and so now we can look for the wave 3. So I did push also that one here personally, because, well, if you do bounce from here, if you check out the targets, we have some nice targets, not gonna lie, so to speak. If you pull the extension tool from the wave 1 root to the wave 1 top, just right there, to the wave 2 bottom. Again, we can do, if Bitcoin is bearish, this is going to be an ABC zigzag, okay, and we're going to drop. But for now everything is bullish, so well, use your own risk management and everything. But if we do bounce from here without using the lot scale, we can pull the wave 3 targets. Well, you can see already from here to the 1618, it's already a almost 300%, so it's just pretty crazy, right? So, and this is normally the minimum we should reach for the wave 3. Okay, because the wave 3 have, well, more chance to reach minimum the 1618. So if we're in this wave 3, we have already a 200% increase in price. I mean, almost 300% increase in price, at least. So it's pretty cool, not gonna lie. And again, we can go into the next targets, and this is what is happening most of the time when you're in the bull market. We go to the bigger fibs. So yeah, we have a very, very, very big potential. You can see here with the wave 3, you can go to the $200. So to speak, from here to here is an 800% increase in price. Again, I don't want to make you bullish or FOMO or whatever, but that's the potential of this coin, really. Okay, and again, this is only for the wave 3. Again, we can stop with an ABC zigzag on the wave 4, 5 next, but if we do the wave 4, 5 next, we can even go higher than this. So we have some possible big wave coming on this. This is very possible. And if you remember, was looking for this AR, I think it is still on the website. Like this right here was a charting. It was, if you remember correctly, during the new Elliott wave course. So if you go into the course section here, normally Elliott wave analysis, you have the, yeah, there we go, AR Elliott wave. So if you go and check at this, you've got normally this AR was already, if I go and check at that, yeah, you can see it was on the very top and was already looking for the big wave 1, 2. If I can find this, that'll be nice. Yeah, well, there you go. You can see it was on the top, was already looking for this wave 2 before to look for the wave 3, and went exactly into, I think, the 786 here. So I was below the pink wave 2 there. Bam, bam, bam. Yeah, went around this zone. You can see around the 786, around this wave 2 bottom there. Well, the exactly into the 786, by the way. So, well, the plan is a plan. Well, this is not really a trade because here is investment. We can see we're going to the 786, so to speak, the last target we have plan here. How lovely is this TA? This is insane. Into the third target we have plan, $13.66, and bounce. So, well, the plan is a plan, but for me this is a very good coin and we have some very big potential. Can we go lower? Yes, everything is possible. Can crypto die? Yes. So we can go to 0? Yes, it is possible. But, well, for me, I don't even know what this coin is behind this. For me, there are some good waves. The TAs are good. I'm taking this, really. I'm buying in. That's it. So I did burst off this. So if you do push high from here, you can go to at least 86. And so there's a smaller wave in that case. Bam, bam, bam. We can go on this, and what is all this right here? Perfect. So in that case, we'll have a wave 1, 2 start there, and normally, well, this is another wave 1, 2, but a wave 1, 2 like this, so to speak, a wave 1, 2 with a triple wave like that, and then now we have another 1, 2, 3 or 5 more likely completed. So can we be in the wave 3? I would say it's more likely another wave 1, 2 here if we really have to push up big, because, well, if we have to make the wave 3 next, we have to do some big wave like this. Okay, so I would say possibly another wave 1, 2 here forming before to get a big pump. Again, we cannot get Bitcoin really bearish for this to happen, otherwise not very good. But yeah, for the moment is what I'm looking for on that one. Say. So this one might be more in this. Is there? In this section right here is say. So let me not pick your error. S say. Whew, didn't check that one for a while. What the hell is this? Well, the pretty cool thing is that we've got a bounce from the 123. That's pretty nice. Okay. Oh, that's a small front run, by the way. Yeah, small front run, but well. And so, well, we can now look if we're into a bull run for the Y wave to the upside. If we do a Y wave, can we just get a big 5 waves to the upside? This, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and complete a Y wave? The answer is no. Why? Because into each wave of the WXY, so WXY, you have to get a correction. So if we do get this kind of 5 waves to the upside, it means that we have, and we're going to do an A, so 5 waves, correction, 5 waves to the upside. So we are going to get an ABC zigzag to the upside. Okay, and let me just change a bit the size of this. There you go. So this is a plan for a bullish. And now, what is this? No, it's not like that at all. More likely like this, but again, let me have a look. Whoa. Oh, this will be a wave 1, 2 then. No, it'll be a wave 1, 2. Well, an expanding leading then. 3, 4, and 5. Because, well, I'm taking some bullish wave because, well, Bitcoin is bullish. So I will just accept this is an expanding leading 9-minute time. This for me was a triple wave correction for sure. But, well, the game. So wave 2 then. And then we have another. Oops. Where is the low here? Here. Yep. Okay, and then okay, so that right here should be another wave 1, 2. We're going to plan 2 configurations on this one, then 3, 4, 5. Let's go with a few smaller waves. Bam, bam, bam. Let's turn this into green because we are bullish. So to see green is good. And then we have another wave 1, and I guess that is a wave 2 bottom there, and then 3 or 5. And let's make this smaller again. 2 blue, and this is good. Perfect. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, is the bottom there? Yes, so this is done. Good, like that. Yes, perfect. Okay, so in that case, these are the bullish wave if I have to be bullish. I'm not gonna plan some bearish wave because, well, nothing is bearish yet on Bitcoin, to be honest with you. So let's go with this. Bull. And so if we do push up from here, you can pull this extension tool, wave on root, wave on top, wave to bottom, at the wave 3 target. Oops. The wave 3 was already there. Wave 3 targets. Sorry, so we have to reach normally at the very least here's a 1618. But again, if we have to be bullish like that, we can go to the 2618, 3618, or the 423.6. So yeah, let's stay with the most common targets for the moment, but normally, well, the wave 2 was well, it was a 50%. So yeah, we should go to the higher targets there. Okay, and if we really have to be bullish from here. But yeah, let's stay here with the 1618 for the moment. And again, don't forget this right here, these fibs are only for the wave 3. Next we'll have the wave 4, next we'll have the wave 5, and this right here is going to finish the wave 3. This is going to do next the wave 4, the wave 5, and this wave 5 is going to finish this wave 3. Next we'll have the wave 4, and next we'll have the wave 5, and then this is going to finish in that case the A wave right here. Then we have a B wave, so this can bring us with a bit of a bigger pullback, not gonna lie, like this for example. A wave, boom, big pullback for the wave 2, and then again another ingredient price for the C, and this C is this time is going to finish the Y wave. And so once we've completed it a double EXY, we can do a double EXY X and Z, but the most probable between a double EXY and a double EXY X and Z is to do a double EXY. So after this, you normally look for a big crash, so that will be a bull run, big crash, and then again you look for another WXY, so a big crash, and then another bull run, extra, just a cycle really of the crypto market. Simple as that. Yep, well, there we go for that one. QNT. perfect. I have my mouse exactly on QNT. Perfect. Oh. No way. Is that the coin I'm thinking about? Wait. Wait, is it the coin I'm thinking about at the moment? Because QNT, I remember we've planned this very nice last wave down here, bigger drop. We was waiting for this below here and then for an increase in price. This is QNT? No, this is BNB. What the fuck? Maybe in caps. QNT. Oh, is there? Where was this? Also the pullback. This was a support there, okay, for the intra. Wait, let me just, I just want to make sure that the coin I was. Yes, there you go, my friends. He was there. I remember this. Look at that, insane. XYXNZ was looking for the XYXNZ. This last drop here below the swing through pan in this and possibly pump it up. How good is that? And all of this for free. This is insane. XYXNZ. Well, didn't. Well, yeah, we did got that by the way. A little lower here. X and Z, and so this complete. Well, more likely this if we are not bearish. Next. Insane. So if Bitcoin remains bullish, I'm gonna go with the Y wave completed with a truncated wave. This is what I was explaining. I remember this. This is what I was explaining the last update. This was, well, a Y wave, yep, truncated for this target, or we go into the 120 extension, depending on the state of Bitcoin. Really now, well, Bitcoin did bounce it, so we're into the first zone, and we've got a nice already from the bottom of the target. Already doubling your investment. This is very cool. So in that case, from here, what do we have? We have a leading there, more likely. Let me just yeah, there you go. I'm gonna go do this because otherwise nice, and so we can move this on the left. So I can see a little bit more what's going on in this. I'd say a leading is the most probable, but we could check out a few smaller waves there. By the way, if you enjoy the content, don't forget you can smash the likes, subscribe to the channel, really. Feel free, it's always a pleasure to get you all here. Welcome here if you're new. And well, if you want to get more, to get, for example, some free listens on the wave, no risk, there is no trap. Just go on the MOONCHARTS website, sign up for free with a member upgrade, go into the course section, Elliott Wave, you have also a beginner course, I mean some listens there for absolutely free, Elliott Wave, and you have 4 listens for absolutely free on 10 listens, but again 4 represent really with the content inside more than half of the full Elliott Wave course. You have all the basics and even more than this. You even start next with a correction wave, all of this for free. There is no trouble whatever, you won't pay anything, no worries. It's there waiting for you, and we'll just join, really sign up and enjoy. Anyways, so here we have let me have a look at this. Okay, yeah, so this is more likely a double EXY then. Missed, huh? Well, this is hit for me, to be honest. There's a 1618 there. Max correction target. Alright. So I'm going to take Start of this is not easy. Because even if here we get a leading, well, it can bring us with a leading next, right? 4 or 5 years. This is definitely a leading there. 1, 2, 3. Now, for the moment, I'm gonna take this. I'm tempted to take this full leading here, but no, I'm gonna stay with this because we have this on the other arts. So wave 1, wave 2 with a double EXY in there. More likely we can go with some white wave, and so then we have this nice impulse move here. So 3, 4, 5. Boom. Let's add the wave on this. There you go. I'm just gonna read the chat here really quickly because I saw before we've got some few message. Getting a pump. You see this coin real. I don't know that coin well. Maybe it's gonna pump, I don't know. I don't know this coin. Okay, yes, I'm gonna have a look. TRB. Alright. So 1 to here, so then we have another let me see, what is this? Another wave 1, 2. Yes, let's say this is maybe another wave 1 if I have to push higher next. Let's just turn this into a green. Little bit, little bit bigger here. Bam. There you go. So for the moment, what I'm seeing is this: 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna have a look at the smaller wave in this. See if there is the possibility of doing a truncate, or this is a full wave 1 again. Right, MC extension. Okay, so yeah, this is a wave 4 like that. Okay, so wave 5 is done, or we do an extension, depending on what's happening on Bitcoin, really. But if you do pull, the targets of this, wave 1 root, wave 1 top. So here you've got an extension already. Yes, and then the wave 4. Yeah, we're at the max target, so 2618. So that is an important target. If we break above, you can simply add a wave 3 target, the big one here. So wave 1 root, wave 1 top, wave 2 bottom, wave 3 targets, remove the large scale, and there you go. So if you push higher than the current price we're at, we can look for the 3618, so around 117. Okay, and then we can look for the 2618, 127. Well, if this is done, we can look for the wave 4 next. So pull back here. Bam, we pull the wave retracement tool from the wave 3 top to the wave 3 root. This wave 2 was regular, so here we can look for a regular wave 4. Yeah, this is a zone really we can look at for the bounce. So this right is a buy zone, boom, and then next we can look for the wave 5 too. And the wave 5 targets, take the extension tool. Again, you can learn this on the website for absolutely free in the Elliott wave section, and you have this nice Fibonacci and impulsive for absolutely free. So if you want to learn how to do all of this to follow along, you can go. So wave 1 root, wave 1 top, wave 4 bottom, and then you add the 618, 100%, 2618, 1618, 2618. And there you go, you have your target, and pull the large scale. Should we go above the 2618 on a regular scale? As simple as that, really. Yep, so well, there we go. This is it. In case, well, yeah, no. Just in case we do this, okay, I'm gonna take a longer blue wave 5 like that, because we'll get a bigger and an extension, really a bigger wave 5, as simple as that. But yeah, for now this is what we can look for. This is a buy zone, look for the wave 5 next, and I'm gonna update the targets in Discord. If we did pump it, just pin me in Discord, otherwise in the next update, if we have to pump from here. QNT were done, and so here was what QNT about to get a nice rip to the upside. Yes, possible. And well, the thing is, after these 5 waves, well, after these 5 waves, it is of course either an ABC zigzag to the upside down, so a massive drop, either a wave 1, 2, and another second wave 1, wave 2, and then boom, massive push to the upside. That is a possible plan on this, if we have to be bullish for me. So, and you've got a target, no, you'll swipe here again. QNT, we're done. KDA, let me see. KDA USD, what is this? Never heard of that before. That will do. The drop USDC, no. Well, that will be enough, I think. Alright, so this will get the oldest data normally, because this is a crypto one. Anyways, Binance normally is good also for the oldest data. Where is this? 31 May 2020. What? 2012. Sorry. So where was that? 3 June 2020. Wait, what? I just can't see. Where is this? Oh yeah, okay. Okay, so damn stupid. Yeah, this is all this one. Alright, this is all this one now. Okay, let's get rid of these there. Oh, KDA USD. Just gonna add a Bybit one here, swap. Not much data on that. Alright, so let me have a look here. Yes, this one is nice. We have the oldest data, but we have loads of scam wicks. This is pretty crazy, not gonna lie. Oh, it's fine, by the way. I mean, it's fine. Yeah, it's fine. Well, okay, let's take that one. So here, what? No. This one here. Well, yeah, that's a possible leading we're having here to the upside. A crazy one, not gonna lie, but this is a possible leading. So to speak, on the lot scale here, we have a wave. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the wave 5. Huh. This is really annoying, but anyways, let me see here. We cannot zoom in to see the smaller wave here, but anyways. And then another triple wave up here. Right, let's take a leading. Leading was a smaller way of an ending, by the way, but anyways. So here, in that case, if we do have this 5 waves to the upside, it is either on a higher time frame, a bigger ABC zigzag, so A, B may be done more likely if everything, what? A, B, and C, or an impulsive to the upside, so to speak, a wave 1, 2, and well, much higher, 3, 4, and 5. Boom. Again, I'm not checking the price. Where I played it at? 1,000. Maybe a little higher, a little too high. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, definitely a little bit too high. I'm not checking the price. I'm not really. This is just place it randomly here. Alright, so this in that case is done at the context. Next, all the way down, we have a nice correction there. I guess double XY extends 0, things like that with the last wave down here. And so now the most important is the current push to the upside, right? So if you do remove the last guy here, you have a nice expanding leading again on that one. Yes, so this 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 5th here. Let's go with some blue wave like that. And so next you have a nice, I would say an ABC zigzag, but no, that's a double XY here. Alright. With a nice MC extension into the 71. That's why you not use only the 618. And so here, if we are bullish, well, we can be in an ABC zigzag, but if we are bullish, let's go with some white wave, we should look for a 1, 2 white. And so we can look next for a nice bam 3, 4, 5 to the upside. And again, if we have to go a lot higher, we can look next and later for, well, either a wave 1 to another wave 1, 2 and massive push to the upside. Either after the 5 waves, a bigger wave 1, 2 and boom, massive push to the upside. Okay. Yeah, so let's take these ones because, well, everything is bullish for the moment. Let's go on a daily time frame, and so if you do have to get a few targets, we can pull the extension tool from the wave 1 root to the wave 1 top as always to the wave 2 bottom. Oops, wrong placement. There you go. Wave 3 target, so 100%. 1618, so this one we don't care. 161 is the most probable to reach at the very least, but now you can see we need to finish a few smaller waves before to finish the wave 3. Because only a wave 1, 2 here, we need to get a wave 3 or 5 to complete the wave 3 here. So next we'll have the 200%, then we'll have the 2618, then we'll have the 3618 and the 423.16. So you have all these targets for the wave 3. Okay. And now, if you want to trade a few smaller waves, here are the smaller waves. So you have a wave, let me see. Yeah, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have a wave 1, yeah, exactly. Okay, so let me just go here. Right, so you have another normally like this, wave 1, 2, and then this nice and lovely 3, 4, 5 to the upside that we are in. Let's go with some green waves. Let's go with this 1, 2, and so normally here, by the way, you have another wave 1, 2 there. Wow, this is insane. 1, 2, and boom. 3, 4, 5. Let's go with some few smaller wave. Boom, 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 boom. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if you do push up from here, really, again, that can't be a leading. So wave 1. I did not place it out correctly. Yeah. Yeah. So wave 1 root. Wave 1 root. Wave 1 top. Wave 2 bottom. So we should go normally at the very least here into this 1618, then retrace. So here we have to have, yeah, small retracement. Looks more like a 30.250%. Yep, correct. So in that case, once you've got a small wave 2, you look for a big wave 4. So to speak, a big wave 4 is going to go between the 38.250%. So you just have to pull this fib between, I mean, from the wave 3 top down to the wave 3 root once we've got the wave 3 top in. If you did reverse your tool in your tool settings, otherwise from the wave 3 root to the wave 3 top. For me, I did reverse on my tool, so from the top to the bottom. This in that case is going to be the pullback zone. If we retrace, of course, from the 1618, now we can go so into the 200%, 2618, 3618, 420, it is possible. Then the wave 4 pullback, then the wave 5, then this is going to complete this bigger wave 3, 4, and 5, and so next, either a C wave, either a wave 3 top. As simple as that. So yeah, there's a wave on that one. And about some higher time frame targets, I'd like to, before to plan some higher time frame targets, I'd like to confirm these 5 waves to the upside, okay, to really give something, or to really get a massive push to the upside. If we do so, I'm gonna just ask again in the chat. I'm gonna have a look. Oops. So this is done. Link, yeah, link. Very good. I also pushed that one. Trading link. Well, there you go. Yeah, you have the wave on this. Normally, so again, this one was planned already a while ago when I was already doing this 5 ways up. We was looking for this bigger wave 1, 2, and then the big push to the upside. The plan is a plan, so plan the move really, and we can, well, not really, well, trade the move or buy the move, really, if we can say that, buy the dip. So well, wave 2, now we look for the wave 3. So well, I'm taking this as a start, and so if we do push high from here, we can simply pull the big wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 targets. So if we do push up from here, we can look for at the very least here the 1618 to be hit. So around $37,000, maybe a lot, 37,000 for that coin. Maybe one day, but this is very high still. Yeah, this is way too high. Well, yeah, that's it really. The triple wave 1, 2, and by the way, we've got a touch to 1-to-1 extension and get a lovely bounce from here again. Pretty lovely. Triple wave 1, 2, 1, 2, and then now we are into, so I played that on the top, but this is the first target, 1618. Okay. Yep. What can I say? That's it. It's already there. But yeah, this is what I'm looking for. Was looking for already a while ago. Wave 2 did play it. Now we can look for the wave 3. That's it. So I did BOGE this for the long run for a lot higher next. Yep. BONK and ING, bonk. So bonk. BONK is a bit complex, not gonna lie. Well, for me, the smaller waves are done. You know, we have done all the smaller wave, everything here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we have now the 5 ways into the wave 5. We have the wave 1 to 0, 5. So if we do have the 5 ways into the wave 5, the green wave 5 is completed. And so if the wave 5 is completed, well, it means that we completed the wave 1, the green wave 3 top, and so now we have to look for the wave 4. So if we have to go into that wave 4, we can look for this target here. Now, what is happening, generally speaking, if we have to get a big and a massive pump next, okay, we've got a retracement from our first big target. If we have to do this, for example, next, like the massive push to the upside, and for example, on the RSI, we do get a new high, so to speak, we do get this. We break the previous high made on the RSI on many time frames. It means that this is still wave 3. So for the moment, I'm taking a wave 4, but if we do get a massive bull run next, this is not going to be a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 next. It's going to be a wave 1, 2, and another wave 1, 2, and this will be a wave 3, 4, 5, and so next we will get a wave band 3 or 5. Live in the time, you have to get this, the target remain the same. In any case, we're going to see the levels, but this is what you can look for and expect next, depending on how big the move up, if you do get the move up next, is, okay? Of course, can we end up here and drop like this, like literally crazy, and come back down to the lows? Yes, because that will be in that case an ABC zigzag. If Bitcoin drop massively, lose the wave 4 target, then I'm going to take this ABC zigzag, and then we can look for maybe, for example, a longer triple wave like ABC flat into the wave 2, or well, double EXY really, a longer correction really into that wave 2. That will be the plan. Can we be bearish? Yes, there is a possibility of being bearish, but for the moment, well, there is nothing bearish, just a wave 4 to look for on Bitcoin, and that's it really. Okay, so this is not ultra bearish still. We're going to retrace. Well, if we have to pull back, it's going to be for me a retracement to go higher, not a big bearish market coming up next, unless we start breaking, of course, the 50% start to touch the 6.86%. And by the way, well, nice with Mr. Short. I always forget to check out Bitcoin when I'm doing the TAs on the Alts. Oh jeez, you've got an MC Short reaction. Shame on me, I missed that again. I'm always too focused on the Alts, I forget to check out Bitcoin. Well, he did got an MC Short reaction, that's pretty nice. Yeah, it's giving a nice trade, as I said. Well, this is the first target. Now you have to simply check out what's going on in there. The best target here will be the VWAP, and then if you do hold this, you can look for, well, a retracement before to go more down. That will be cool because I missed the short. Otherwise, if you do break this, you can look for a move down to the daily negative path control Valera low. Well, SFP down to the Valera low, really, as simple as that. But yeah, keep an eye on the order. I'm gonna continue the tiers on the other, but keep an eye on the order flow in this section there. Okay, this is the first zone of price where we have to look for scampers for a take profit. This is not bullish. Look for a nice drop. Ha, I missed that. Alright, well, let's come back on BONK. Well, we're done with BONK, by the way. Nothing more to add on this. Yeah, we can add something on this. These are the longs. If we do drop from here, for example, if we do a bigger, wave 2, we just do not bounce from the wave 4 target for the wave 5, but we do, for example, a longer wave 2. So we do, for example, so we have a wave 1, 2, another wave 1, 2, and well, these are the two targets for the wave 2 where we can look for a long trade. As simple as that, really. These are the targets I'm looking for. And next, well, if we do hold this, that will be for a wave 3 to the upside. So to speak, a wave 1, 2, another wave 1, 2, bam, 3, 4, 5, and then you have the 3, 4, 5. Okay? That is it for that one. BONK, we are done. BONK, where I was on this. AP, yes, APE. Oh, by the way, when was this? Okay, so we cannot get a weak negative path control below. APE. So, AP, so I'm not going to plan the levels on this because like I said, if we push higher and then retrace, it's gonna change all the long targets, so I'm gonna really do the long target. Gonna have a look still. I don't have the, well, I'm not gonna have a look then. It's on the older laptop. Well, anyways, I'm gonna do it like this. What is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correction. So I'm getting a lot of message at the moment. What the heck is that? Anyways. 1, 2. Okay, so well, if you have to be bullish from here, I'm gonna take already this wave 1 to complete it, so a double wave 1, 2, 1, 2. If we have to bounce from here, okay, so I'm gonna take this wave 1, 2 already. Sorry, wave 1 to here, and then we can take this one and move it up. I'm gonna get rid of that. So 3, 4, 5 later. 2, and the wave 1 is there. There you go. 3, 4, and 5. And so this is very high. 3, 4, 5. This we can get rid of. We did go to rejection from there. Yeah, if we're bearish, well, then ABC zigzag to the upside. Don't know why you've planned this bear thing here. So this will be for the bearish configuration. There you go. In case we get a drop, so bear. Nice. So 1 2 1 2, and well, then we can look for a wave 3 to the upside. Just gonna check here. What are the waves here? We've got a leading through. That's pretty cool. Alright, so leading here, so 1 2 3 5. Yeah, okay, so well, if I have to be bullish, wave 1, wave 2, simple, and then we can look for the boom 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 3 4 5 8 to the upside. Let's go with some wave like this, wave like that. Let's make this a little bit more visible. And so this like that. And change the color of this. Let's do this like that. Sorry. So 1 2 3 4 5 here, so we can hopefully 3. Well, that should go higher. Bam. 4 5. Again, can we be bearish from here? Yeah, if Bitcoin is bearish, like massively, we, as I said, start breaking, you know, the 6,186% of the wave 4. That was an ABC zigzag, and so we're going to look for a new low next. But for the moment, we're looking for the wave 4. So yes, we pull back, but to go higher. So if we look for higher at the end, why not looking for higher here too? It will follow Bitcoin. So yeah, and if Bitcoin, for example, pull back, consolidate, there is going to be more money into the alts, and so here we can talk about, for example, an alt season. So that's why we can look for such wave. So in that case, you will have another impulse, but well, this where is the bottom there? Can we just hide this with a shortcut? Control Alt H. Well, it's not too hard. Okay, and the bottom is there. Boom. There you go. Wave 3. No, wave 3. Let's move this on the right, and we can go with 500. There you go. 120 extension, we don't care. 1618. I mean, if we're into a small wave, we should go between. Well, there's right here. This is a. Yep. Should go between this to complete this wave 3 next. Okay, so yeah, this is what we can look for here if we have to be bullish, and that's it really for AP. We're going to plan some higher targets later when we get some more data. For the moment, it's a bit early. But $3, yes. Well, yeah, there you go. You can go to $3. Yes, absolutely. And so $3, and well, yeah, if we do get maybe, well, later a bigger wave 1 2, it can go a lot higher than this, mate. But yeah, for now, $3 is a good target for the moment, as we're into the smaller wave. The max target is around $3, a little bit below, but again, we can do a bit of a bigger wick above here, around $3 possible. So good target, mate. KDA, so it's done. PS Ethereum getting, yeah, Ethereum. So let's go here into the main. Boom, Ethereum. Yes, we're getting a pump. Nothing crazy big, but still a pump. Let me see. Well, do you want to take it and make it really super bullish? If yes, you have a bigger impulse here into the wave 5 forming. So to speak, you have another wave. Use another wave. 1 2 3 4 5. Let's change the color of this, make it smaller, and let's make this only gray. Let's go with some light blue like this. Go to the job. And well, you simply have to look for the targets above, really. Okay, if we have to really be bullish, well, this is a bullish count. But we've got a nice bounce. Well, we already did bounce it from here. We're planning this, if I'm correct. Now the thing is, the first target is hit. So if you did long it from here, you can take profit 1. And well, if we go higher, these are the targets for the moment. That is it, really. But if we really, I mean, the thing is, if Ethereum have to really push big up, that like really push up very big from here, well, that was a wave 1 too. So if we are next into a wave 3, well, we have to do some even more bullish smaller waves. So to speak, here's a wave 3, 4, 5 we are taking here. So to speak, this 3 or 5 is another wave 1, 2, and then we're going to see a 3, 4, 5 and a big breakout here, and then this is going to complete the 3, 4, 5, and then this is going to complete the 3, 4, 5, and then this is going to complete the 3, 4, 5, and finally these waves are going to complete this wave 3. So you can see we have a lot of wave to do here. You have to make this big push to the upside. But yeah, for now it is not confirmed. So yeah, we can take that for the moment. Okay. So yeah. Yep, bigger impulsive up here if we have to be really bullish, and to go really into the higher fibs, we have to into the higher targets. And about to break 350, yes. 3,500 by the way. Yes, absolutely. If Bitcoin is bullish, of course we will break it. If not. Well, this right here looks a bit like a bot, so I'm not going to have a look at this. And shilling a coin, so Katie is done. Tier B. And moreover this, I mean, this is not a coin that is where we have some data on, so I don't know if I mean, we cannot do TAs on that, so looks really like a bot. Anyways, so what you say, tier B, right? Yeah, tier B. So element of QRST is there. I mean, really, limited time. I will not take this as a wave 1 2. This is. I mean, look at that. You have a triple wave up. This is insane. This is insane. So well, limited time. Normally, I will look for another drop. I will really look for another drop. Even before, look at that. You have an ABC zigzag here to the upside. You don't even have a 5 ways up. I mean, yeah, this is insane. This is insane. Can that be, for example, here a leading, an expanding 1, 2, 3, or 5? The answer is no, because the wave 5 cannot be truncated, stop before the wave 3 top. And here, can that be a double EXY or an ABC fat? No, this went way too high. So what the hell is that? What the hell is this? This is Coinbase. Wait, do I have some levels on that? I don't know. An impulse with a double EXY. Wow. Nice one. That was a leading, I think, more likely. So wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But anyways, that brings us with, by the way, a nice impulse here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But anyways, do we have this on tier B on this one? Oh, okay, we have a lot more data on this. So, okay. Um, 3, 4, 5, 1, 3. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Wait, where that will be here. These 5 ways are more likely completed here. So he's either another wave 1, 2 for a big push to the upside, but this is not the best. Either an ABC zigzag completed, so if we have to raise, that will be a W, an X, and a Y. Where is this wave? Oh, no, no, definitely not. No, 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 no. Let's. I will play this more like something like that. And the wave 5, boom. Because yeah, boom. So a full ABC zigzag brings us with a W. That is an extra retracement, and then if we have to be bullish, we can look for a Y wave to the upside, so an ABC zigzag to the upside. Now the thing is, we've got already a correction down. Little problem is that the first move up here is a correction, so normally the most probable is to go take out the lows. So am I going to look for some bullish wave here? If we do bounce from here, that'll be more for a double E. Well, what we have planned really for a correction like this. Or an ABC flat if we do take the high A, but it'll be more for a correction at the end. So let me still have a look at what we can plan here on the lower time frame, see if we have any bullish wave really. I mean, something really, really good, but again, I mean, this for me is a double X wave to the upside, so maybe could Coinbase price have some better wave, but no. This for me is an ABC zigzag, so ABC. And well, again, we have a triple wave up here. Oh no, we do have some 5. Yeah, we do take those. Wait, let me think. Can this be bullish? I mean, again, this can be a wave 1, 2, 3, massive wave 4, and then a wave 5. But I mean, well, I'm gonna take that simply because, well, this is what we have on the other side, so I'm gonna take this. Yeah, so ABC zigzag completed if we have to drop, otherwise, well, double wave 1, 2, 1, 2. So wave 1, 2, boom, and then we can look for a 3, 4, 5. But again, that'd be for W, X, and Y. Well, you know what? As the other coins are bullish, I'm gonna look for some bullish wave, but still not too bullish because the context here on the overall is not really bullish. So I'm gonna only show the most probable for the moment. So double EXY to the upside here. Okay. And so in this, then we can get a very big Y wave with a bigger ABC zigzag. ABC. Or an A, a B, and a C, and this will complete the Y wave. So get a bit of a push up, but not too big one. Okay, so pink, this, and an ABC zigzag here. Then we're just going a bit of a bigger time frame to play this a little bit better. Yep, there you go. Perfect. So now we can look for this wave 1, 2. That is still very on the other side, so that's pretty cool. If this was the bottom there, it's not looking like a triple the fiveways up again, but well, you know, these days the fiveways are pretty crazy, to be honest. So let me plan the support of this real quick. Monthly, okay, weekly. can get rid of the path control, we don't care anymore. This we don't really care, this we don't care, this also. Alright, so now can pull it like that. There you go, pull this. Well, yeah, we will already have support, but well, if we do break, I mean, the current low from here, we have this nice, well, path control, vanilla low zone, really. So this path control is really key in my opinion. So this right here, path control, and so well, yeah, you have this nice little path control just below in case we have to do a bit of a longer triple wave. For example, we do get a pullback on Bitcoin. Again, I'm taking some bullish wave really because overall most of the markets are bullish, but I mean, the waiver, there are some much more better coins to look for, like Metis, Ayer, and Link Dot, and all the things like that. But anyways, here is a TA still, path control, and then rise if we have to be bullish. Okay, yeah, this is a level. Yeah. Well, yeah, here's a wave. Here's a TA, and so it'll be a double XY here to make a longer boom. For the moment, so W, X, and Y. Or if we do go really with an extension and get something still, a double XY with, well, the X that brings a W root, or more likely an ABC flat, you understood? Yeah, there you go. So, just gonna change the color of this thing with, yeah, like that. Should be good. Dogecoin, Doge, yes, absolutely, Doge. Trading. We did got a nice bounce off the target, and we've got a nice rejection from the target. How perfect is that? Again, the target was planned once we was here, so it was already here, but you could do this on your side. This is always the same, because I will not train this. But yeah, so now the thing is, do we have the 5 waves to the upside? No, we don't. So we can look for an expanding ending, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then boom, drop below. And look for the green wave 4 next, okay, but for now it looks like we don't have the 5 waves up at the moment, so let me just have a look and confirm this, but for now, no, so either an expanding ending here, so wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and a wave 5, well, just a swing through power reflection or into the 2618, possible too, okay, so the next target there. Let's take the case that we'll go there. From here, well, we simply have again, well, this was planned to pull the retracement tool from the wave 3 top. So the yeah, so the green wave 3 here. Yeah, the green wave 3 top down to the wave 3 root, and so this will give us this zone of price 38.250% is the buy zone where we will drop and bounce normally. Yeah, so that's it. So more likely this, if we do break below, go below, break the wave to bottom, it means that we are still into this blue wave 4, and so in that case that is the configuration number 1. Config number 1, and so if I have to look for another configuration, that will be here. So what target we have rejected there for the moment, let me have a look. Flat, there you go, an ABC flat or a double XY, so A, B, C. Let's go, we can get rid of that thing here by the way. So this ABC flat, boom, or a double XY, so either a 5 ways down, either a correction. There's no real big difference to be honest with you, the targets remain the same, so we can go with some blue. We can get rid of that, well, we can get rid of this fib. In any case, we've got a rejection from our target, so we can pull the extension tool from the A wave or the W root down to the, the bottom is there by the way, to the top here, and then we can have the correction targets. First target is this, so this is the first take probably if you took the short from a resistance plan. Then you have the 1-to-1 extension, the 123 and the 1618. So if you look for, well, if you do drop directly from here, you can look for this. Gonna make this a little smaller here just to get less fibs on the chart. This I'm gonna Move it up, move it on the right. There you go. And we can delete that because we don't really care for the moment. So in that case, if we drop below, of course, okay, if we go below than this, we can look for this 1-to-1 extension. Then we have this nice 123, and then the max target, the 1618. This is the second configuration we're having here on DOGE. Configuration not 3, 2. Perfect. And we can reduce this. Perfect. There you go. So that will be here for a longer wave 4. Okay, so you have the 3, 4. If you do this bigger pattern, so to speak, you break the wave to bottom there more likely. And then the wave 5. This is going to complete next the wave 3, the bigger green wave 3. Okay. So yeah, that is a plan really on DOGE. For now, let's take this. Simple as that. There you go. We're done. It's updated. Big pullback, yeah. Add it here. Alright, so yes, we're done. BIGTIME also very good buy from a good here. I mean, again, I don't know what the fundamental whatever of this. The TA is good. That's it. I did not watch this yet. I'm waiting for this pattern here to play out. So another drop into a target, but for now we did go to bounce from here, but I missed that personally, so that's why I'm not interested. So wait, either miss for me, either another drop, I mean, buy and pump. Again, if we hit that target, Bitcoin is losing the wave for bottom, I'm not going to buy this because it's going to do this, as simple as that. So these 5 ways will be more likely for, well, these will be a double EXY, X and Z to the upside, as simple as that. So yeah, I'm looking for this last drop. On this last drop, we can load the backs here and maybe pump it up next, right? Who knows? But yeah, this pattern here looks good. Then well, that's it really. So yeah, I'm looking for this wave 1 to 1 to 1 to 1 to. That's a bit of too much wave 1 to 1 to 1 to be honest with you, but still very good long trade from the small tariff half plan there to the dollar. That's pretty cool. ATOM did got a very big push to the upside also. Did not updated that. Wait, it's already we're alive for almost 2 hours. I'm not gonna do this today. BCH, I have to update this on my side, and then well, yeah, Cardano went really past all the targets here we have planned. Big extension, and so what we've got here: 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, maybe one more last push to the upside to complete this. Let me have a look. Yeah, but normally this is not valid anymore. 1, 2. Yeah, something possible. 3, 4, 5. But I will not really. Nah. But very nice flip to support at the moment. You can see a resistance. Go both flip into support. Well, small resistance here. Go 3 through. Flip into support. Come back up. Flip again to support. So very nice target here given. Let me just controls here, and so. What was these targets there? Let me just. So let me see. Okay. So let me just see something here very quickly. Okay, yeah, so yeah. That will make sense to go a little higher, and so here on this we're also into an extension. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, so well the next target really will be this for me. can get well. This is a nice target to flip to support, but well, we don't really care anymore now. Yeah, so well, yeah, the next target will be this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for me, and this is the next target on Cardano. Oops, gonna keep it like that. So wave 5, wave 5. Not this C wave yet. And so C wave or wave 3. But more likely wave 3, 4, 5 unless Bitcoin start to break the lower targets, so to speak, the 618, 86% of the way. For if we do break this, yes, in that case this is bearish on everything. And yeah, well, the other ones I didn't check it really. So yeah, that's it really for today. I mean, that's it. Yeah, 2 hours live stream, that's pretty cool. Got loads of informations. Sorry. So yeah, don't know if you have any questions on anything. Really, looks like not. So yeah, hope you enjoyed. If you enjoy, as always, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if these updates are useful for you. If you're learning, and if you want ways to learn even more, maybe to follow, so you can really follow along better. Again, simply go on the website. It's free. It's there waiting for you. Go on the mooncharts.f website. You have a link in the description. Sign up for free. Go into the course section. If you're a beginner, check out the beginner course. You have some nice content there. And otherwise, you can go and check out the Elliott Wave course there. It's there waiting for you, so do not hesitate. And you have a few resources to download and everything, so just go and check out this really. And don't forget, there is a TradingView Black Friday. Again, there is no affiliation or whatever. It's just that you can get a very big massive discount on the on this. Normally you pay like 700 euros. You have a minus 70%, sorry, not 70,000, that's quite a lot otherwise. 70%, so it is very interesting. If you're using TradingView a lot, just be aware of this. Can be useful. Yeah, so thank you all for watching. Don't forget to smash a like, subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed yet. This helps as always, so thank you so much if you take the time to do it. Take care of you. Catch you all over the Discord. By the way, do you have some news today or tomorrow? No, tomorrow FOMC. Be aware of that. This is moving the market. Not all the time, but most of the time. And yeah, if you want to stay updated, do not hesitate to join the Discord server. Again, all these channels are absolutely free except the apprentice section here, but otherwise all my updates, live in the time, everything is absolutely free. Do not hesitate to join if you want to stay updated. When I'm not live, I'm going to be there posting about Bitcoin or the alts or whatever. Anyways, take care of you, this is important, and catch you all in the next one. Cheers.